So you know our decay function. Okay, this says, do you want 2,000 now, or do you want 2,200 in 2 years? So you really want to know, okay, is 2,200 in 2 years worth more, the same, or less than $2,000 to me right now? And remember, all the interest, like there's the interest rates that you can get if you choose to invest the $2,000. There's depreciation because of inflation. So we have these two interest rates right here. For simplification, we just give you like these two interest rates, so you can figure out, is it worth it for you? Would you want to take $2,000 now or $2,200 later? So we're gonna plug in the 2,200 right here because we want to see what's that worth to me right now. What is the present value of it? So I'm going to plug in 0.03. We're going to multiply it by 2 because we're trying to figure out what's it worth to us in 2 years. I mean, worth to us right now, 2 years from now. Okay, so what do we get? What did you guys get when you plug that in? 27?
2071.
Oh, 2071?
Yeah.
And is that any sense there? 88 change? All right, cool. So if you waited and waited 2 years to get 2,200, that's actually not worth it. Because wait, is it worth it? No, it is. You get this. Okay, this is what it's worth to me now. So actually make $71 more. Okay, I know some of you guys are thinking, no, $71 is not worth it to me. I'd buy the 2,000. I'd take the 2,000 right now. Okay. What if the interest rate was 0.07? How does that change it?
1,912.
Oh man, you guys already did it for me. Hold on a sec. Let me write it out. 0.07, and we're multiplying it times 2, 2 years. And you guys got what?
1,912.
That's it? 58? 59? Okay. So, I mean, the interest rate really does make a difference, huh? I mean, this one's almost $100 less if you wait to get to 2,200. But most of you guys, it sounds like you're impatient. You would take the 2,000 anyways. You're like, no, I need that now. Okay. All right. So here's a big company right here. Ryan Martinez must decide whether to upgrade his company's computer system. You guys You guys ever think about what CEOs have to decide? Okay, they have lots of money to move around. And here's a good question right here. He's going to upgrade the computers. It could cost $400,000. That's how much it would cost him to upgrade the computers. Now, you have to think about that. Okay, if I'm upgrading my company's computers, that's supposed to increase production, right? So I'm supposed to make more money if it increases production. And then, of course, you have inflation to consider. That's how they got 7%. So they're thinking about okay, so what's that worth to me now, later down the road? So he figured out that he's going to save $150,000 a year because of this nicer computer system. Now, is that worth it? Is it worth that he spent $400,000? Now, did he make the company money by doing that? And to figure that out, we gotta do some math right now. So for the next 3 years, he would save this. So what is that worth to us now? I mean, don't just give the total. I mean, some of you guys are doing the total really fast. You just you do this, and you multiply by 3, and you're going, oh, it's $450,000. If this is how much we're saving, then that's worth it, right? Because we make our money back. But wait. You totally forgot about the interest, the depreciation that the money has. And so the first year, you make this. The second year, you make this. And we have e raised to the negative 0.07 and times 1. And then the third year, you make same thing, but we got to multiply it by 2. Multiply the rate by 2. So what does this total give us? If you plug those into your calculator, what's that total? Because that's the current value to you. And you can really, because $400,000 you have to pay right now. So we're trying to figure out what's the value of all of this to me right now. And what do you guys get? So you got 420,000. So this is really worth this much to us. So is it worth it? Yeah, we saved more money than this. In 3 years, it's like we made $20,000. Does that make sense? Okay, now the book does it slightly different. This is how I would read it. But the book does it like this. They say, instead of this right here, they put, let me move this over. They multiply this by e to the 0.07, and then they change this to a 2, and they change this to a 3. I'm not sure why they would choose to do it like that, because I would think that, you're not waiting a year to get that. Maybe you wait the year to get that, and that's what it would be worth after the year. Maybe that's why they said it like that. So, do you guys still have this in your calculator? Can you guys change one of these, like delete that and add another one like this with that, and tell me what that amount would be? So instead of 420,000, what would that? Actually, I have it right here. I can write it down for you guys. It would be worth $391,850. So in that case, we'd be missing out on almost $9,000. We would lose $9,000. Considering this interest rate, I don't know how they got the interest rate, but I know that there's a lot of variables into that. All right, so that is present value. That's how you find present value.